Did you know YouTube has launched a new update, a feature called a community post that let you anyone to post anything like a content or update on their YouTube channel. This should be an interesting but looks crazy. The new YouTube feature update has been dropped and described as sick, amazing, um, um, nice, cool, incredible, and impressive by all of them. But the most critic down right here is this, and this with a huge update that is crazy. In that case, let me show you on the mobile phone. On the channel page here, there is a feature called Community tab where users and viewers have a space to start discussions and communicate with them, thereby sharing something like art and connect with each other. But the reality is that the channel's community tabs are being open to anyone to post what they want to post, what to post, and whatever they want, or they can do whatever they want, like they want or they post. So this is what happened to the community tab after the launch in just 24 hours. So let me show you how to post, how to get it, what to post, how it works, and how to set it up, the community tab, and if you can turn on the community tab on your YouTube channel if you have access to it. Then let's get started. Introducing communities is the hardest part as it invites only. You can turn on the communities and comments, but unfortunately the community may not be available to you because the communities are only available on the YouTube mobile app. When you check an email, if YouTube sent you a notification, then and it will click to your channel and it doesn't really do anything. But on your phone, you'll be greeted with this welcome message with the option to turn it on. Then you can start selecting or choose any option. Then on the community tab page, tap on the community settings. Then on the viewer post to the post moderation option that are quite similar to the comment moderation, and it allows you to turn the viewer comments on and off with the options. The wallet user must be subscribed to the channel before you can set on how long someone needs to be subscribed to the channel before they can post either 1 day or 1 week. Because anyone that subscribed to the channel before posting will result in a natural barrier, just instant spam and abuse from any old user or person on YouTube. So the question is, should you be turning on for community posts on your YouTube channel if you have access to it? Well, in that case, you can go ahead and turn on the community post on your channel because it's not a bad idea. Because it's a place to have a conversations with anything like with shared likes, and we shared anything or maybe something like a culture, and to make a new connections, friends and the family, and connect them with each other. If your audience is prime to look no to build a loyal audience, then you definitely get impressions and subscribers on, from the community tab on your channel. In fact, rather than to abuse and spam, because from the look of things in the community, there's a mix of opportunities who ask questions, they just want something, but actually there's actually no willing to give anything back in return. And the people who are intrigued and ask the questions, and they want to discover like mandate creators who are also want to share experience and help each other. As a new space and creator on YouTube, you definitely notice if you want to learn more about it, to learn more something about this new feature, then you can drop your comment below that. If you have any question, you can also write it in the question and tell us what you think about this new feature that YouTube launched. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.